Okay, everybody, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. It's about 12 degrees out here today, and I'm just going to make an event out of splitting this pin oak stump here. You can see the wire in this wood, so place your bets on what's inside here. I'm willing to bet it's one of those candy cane hooks with this steel braided cable going in there. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to split this thing by hand and bust the heck out of this darn thing with my little fiberglass handle wood splitting maul here. So you go ahead, take a moment to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'm going to get to busting this thing up. Probably take me about 10 minutes, I would imagine. I'm not real sure, but that's what we're doing today. Just going to see what I can do. Now these oak rounds it's some big heavy pin oak wood, so oak does split pretty easy, but you got to swing it pretty damn hard to split these things open right down the middle. I mean, I'm going to go right down the middle in this thing, right in line with this. If I chip off the sides, it'll go really easy, but let's just see if I can break this thing in half and see what it looks like in there. Now I'm going to have to move it out of the way and get to swinging on it here. Hopefully I got enough room. It's pretty cold this morning, so I like to get loose a little bit. You know, everybody can probably relate after a long day of firewood. I get a sore back and sore neck and everything else, and I don't have a good place to stand here today. There we go. All right, let's see what I can do to this thing. Here we go now. Right down the middle. All right. Well, there's our bolt. I can see the threads. It's always the same crap. That is excuse me, I got my microphone flying all over the place. That is it's a 3/4 inch coarse thread bolt. So let's keep going, see if I can get around that without damaging my axe. And we'll just bust this thing up here. Ow. Ow, I just hit it. Ooh, that was not good. I hit that thing right on there. At least I think it felt like I did. Maybe not. All right. All right, so that's what we got so far. Let me bring this in so I can show you here. That's what we got so far. And I think I did. I hit that thing right there. I can see where I took the threads off of it. Oops, that wasn't good for my axe. It needs to be sharpened anyways. All right, let's take some more out of it. Now it's upside down. I turn it the other way. Now let's see. That is dangerous. I almost got hit in the face with this thing. All right. Well, this is a little dangerous, and that's a small target I got right now. All right, well. All right, let's see if I can hit this thing one more time without ruining my axe. I didn't really do much damage to it there, but I'd like to get this thing out of there. Yeah, that's dangerous. I need to pin that thing down. Speaking of pin oak, let me try to pin this wire down so it doesn't fly around on me. All right, it's not really cooperating here. There we go. All right. I don't want to hit it too hard and ruin my axe. I don't know, but there we go. There's another piece. Well, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get much more out of that. That is pretty thin right there. I'm just kind of swinging at it here. It's holding it together. All right, I was right. Okay, that's as far as I'm gonna go. Now that is a thin piece of wood. You can see what I was working with here now. That is very thin. This is my hand, and that is that piece of wood. It's down to nothing, and I was right. There's the candy cane hook in there. It comes in and hooks and goes up and around. So that's what it was. I guess I'm just going to throw this piece of crap in the wood. It has about 6 feet of cable hanging off of it, and I don't have anything to cut that with. So this piece here, I guess, will just be junk because I don't have a grinder or anything. And I will go ahead and finish splitting this wood today on camera. Woo! I forgot to give my axe a little kiss. I always like to do that before I start hitting it hard with it there now. We can always give it a kiss right now. See the black staining in that wood where that bolt was. Well, all right, that oak split's pretty easy, and it's got all year to dry. It's February, so I'll be burning this later this year. It's got all year to sit in the sun. Some of those pieces are a little big, but I don't really care. It's got a long time. So that's the video for today. Got a little bit of exercise, pretty simple. Come back and join us. If you can see this piece of cottonwood, I may be bucking that piece of crap up here sometime soon. So that may be on the horizon. I don't know. There's a big rotten spot running through this thing right here. I don't know if it got struck by lightning or what, but that's it for today. See you guys next time.
You